everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an Easter haul from Home Bargains. It's Easter next week and I thought I would get the boys some bits just to give them a little treat. I haven't actually done this before. Usually I just get them a little, like an egg or something like that, but this time I thought I would go that extra mile and get them something special. So let's get started and I'll show you what I got. So to start with, I obviously got them some Easter eggs. So I got the PJ Masks one, and I also got a Paw Patrol one, and these were 89p each. I did tell the guy not to give me the receipt, and I didn't really think about the fact that you guys will probably want to know the prices, but in total I only spent £16, so it wasn't very expensive. But yeah, let me show you. So these are 89p. I also got this like little paint your own Easter egg. I thought this would be nice, probably for Vinny more so, but there's 2 Easter eggs in there, so Vinny and Renzo can both play with them. And we still have the paintbrush from the last set that I got like this. I got them one of these not that long ago, and they really enjoyed playing with it, so I got another one, but this is just slightly different with the 2 Easter eggs inside, and I thought that was really cute. So you get loads of little paints in there, and I think this was like £1.99, something like that, or maybe £1.49. But yeah, that one's going to go in Vinny's one. Before I go any further, I'll show you what I'm actually going to put these gifts in. Instead of buying a basket or a bucket, they had some Easter buckets in there which looked quite cool. I just thought I would go for a gift bag because these are really cute, and it's just got Easter wishes on them. I just thought those are really cute, and I thought that Vinny would really appreciate that. He'll feel like it's a big present, and Renzo doesn't really understand right now, but I got them both the same size, and I think these were, how much were these now? I think they were like, oh yeah, 69p. So that's really cheap, and they're going to hold quite a lot in them. So they had different sizes, but I went for the medium kind of size one. I then picked up this kind of filler to like put inside just to make it bulk it out a little bit, and it's got yellow, green, purple, and kind of like a Tiffany blue kind of colour, and I just thought that was really cute. So we're going to pop that in the bags just to fill them up and make them look extra special. I also picked these up. I don't really know why, but I picked this up originally to fill the bags with, just to make them like Eastery, but then I saw the filler, so I thought, oh, I'll get that anyway. But then I thought I would put this in with the bag and the filler as well, just because extra like Easter vibes with the yellow feathers. But they did have other colours, but these are just decorative feathers, so you can even use these and put them in like a nice glass bowl and put like little Easter eggs in there, like the mini ones. That would look really cute. But these are actually just going to go in their Easter bags just for extra fun vibes. I didn't want to get them too many sweets, but so they've got their 2 eggs, and then I went with these 2 like marshmallow sticks, and they're just really cute. They've got little bunnies on them and things like that, so I thought those were cute, so they can have one each along with their Easter egg. And then I got them, what else did I get? Oh, I got, these are cute, a little wind up like bunny and a little chick. I know Renzo will love this. Vinny used to love these when he was little, so I think Renzo is going to like these more than Vinny, but I'm going to put one in each of their bags. I like to like keep it quite samey. I don't like one child to feel like he's got more than the other, so I think they're pretty age appropriate. It says 0 to 3 you shouldn't give these to, but obviously I will be with Renzo when he plays with it. I also got this for Renzo. So this is a little My First Words set, and it's got 40 flashcards in there because he's obviously learning his first words at the moment. I'm really trying to encourage him at the moment, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect. So you've got all sorts of like animals, things like that, and it was only £1.69, which I thought was great. So I'm going to pop that one in his bag. And then for Vinny, because he's kind of like learning to write at the moment and learning to read, I got him this Star Learning spelling book. He absolutely loves stuff like this, and because they've got like the gold star stickers and ticks in them, he absolutely loves it. Every time he does something like this, he's like, oh, can I have a sticker? And I'm like, yeah, you can. So I think this will be really fun. It's kind of educational, but I think he really will enjoy it because he's really into all of this like writing and reading at the moment, obviously, because he's doing it all at school. And he even got a certificate the other day, and he come home from school and he was so proud of himself, and I was so proud of him as well. So he's really going to enjoy these kind of Easter gifts, and again, it's kind of educational at the same time. So yeah, love that. And finally, for the Easter stuff, I just got these make your own Easter puppets. So there's 2 puppets in there, so I'll give one to Vinny, one to Renzo. And yeah, again, I thought that was really cute. They're so cheap. They're literally like £1 or £2, not even, I don't even think this was £2, I think it was like £1.50, but so cheap, isn't it? And I thought it was a really good idea for the kids. It's something that they can like, you know, they can play with it over the Easter weekend. They'll have lots to do, loads to eat, But yeah, I didn't really get anything else from Home Bargains, but I literally got myself some rubber gloves, and I also got myself a cushioned shower mat. It's not for me, it's for Renzo, I mean, because I always have a shower mat in there just so he doesn't slip all over the place, and the one that he's got at the moment, I don't really like it, so I went for a plain white one, and this one was £2.50, I believe. They did also have the cushion, like for the back of your head, and I wish I got that now, because I quite like to like lie back when I'm having a bath, and like, you know, sometimes it's a bit hard, isn't it, the bath, so I should have got the cushion. I wish I did now. Maybe I'll get that in the future, because they did have matching ones. So they had this, and they had like a matching shower curtain, but I don't have a shower curtain, I just have a shower screen. So yeah, I just went for that, and that is all I got. But a few good ideas there if you're looking for some inspiration for your Easter baskets for your kids, or your Easter bags in our case. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.